Here's the pepperoni pizza cooked in the Gozney Arc XL. Stick around and find out how we made this pizza. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's the Pizza Guy John. And today's video, I'm just going to be making a simple pepperoni pizza, just a quick and easy video, just to show you again how I make a pizza basically in the Gozney Arc XL, one of the newest ovens that I've been using pretty often now. So again, you're definitely going to see a lot of videos. If you haven't checked out my last videos regarding the Gozney Arc XL, go ahead and check those out. I'll also link them above. But like I said, let's go ahead and get into it. It's going to be making a simple pepperoni pizza. Here's my dough. This is a 48-hour cold fermented dough. I'll also link that above as well. So if you're interested in wanting to make that, again, that will be available to you. So let's go ahead. I'm just going to get this one right here. And again, drop a comment down below what you're thinking so far of the Gozney Arc XL. Again, it's one of the newest ovens. But let's go ahead and let's get this stretched out. This is about 270 gram dough ball, so it's gonna go ahead, get that stretched out there. Dough's still a little cold. It is nice and cold inside today, but we'll still manage to get a nice stretch of it. And again, what's your thoughts on the Arc? Is it an oven that you can see yourself using, not using? Oh, we're just gonna get a nice little stretch here. All right. This will be a good little 10-inch pizza or so. Going down with our sauce. And it's just some simple Bianco di Napoli tomato sauce. A little bit of salt, nothing too special in there. All right, then we'll go down with a handful of mozzarella. Let's do that for now. Do a little stretch of this. All right, and then we're gonna go down with some pepperoni. All right. And again, we've had the Gozney Arc now preheating for about 35-40 minutes, so it is nice and hot. We're gonna go straight into the oven. And straight in. And we'll get it turned down just a little bit here. And again, you could do up to 16-inch pizzas in this oven. Again, it has a gauge in the front. You have your control right here on the left-hand side. Flame that goes from the left from the right all the way to the back. I'm gonna go ahead and let's get a first spin. See, crust is popping up nicely, bottom is looking nice and cooked all the way around. Pepperoni's cupping up nicely. And so yeah, again, it shouldn't take too much longer. Alright, just get a little bit of cooked right here. Alright, and just like that, we're gonna go ahead and get this inside, cooked all the way around. Alright, so now that the pizza is cooled down, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Nice and brown all the way around. Nice and crispy, as you can hear. A little burnt part right here. That's still okay. Let's take a look at this bottom. Nice, cooked all the way around. Again, there's gonna be some burnt spots, but other than that, it's nice and cooked, crispy. All right, let's go ahead and get a cut into this pizza because I'm starving. And so let's listen to that. Nice airy crust. Just gonna go ahead and get this cut right here. And again, this is a 48-hour dough. I'm just gonna get this big piece right here. Again, nice cooked crust, airy. You can't beat a pepperoni pizza. The crispiness, the oils from the pepperoni just taste so good. The mozzarella, the sauce, the crust. It's just an overall good pizza. So if this is something you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Check out my Instagram at the Pizza Guy John, and we'll talk there.